Alright, so we just got done with day one of taking down those dead cedars in the greenbelt area, and my saw is pretty dirty. This T540 has been used a couple times now on jobs. I just wanted to break it down really quick for you guys just to show you how I clean this electric saw. Putty knife, toothbrush, socket, a scringe, and a box knife. Loosen up your capture nut, slack out your chain. Make sure your chain brake is off. Take this cover off. Look how dirty that is. It's just caked full of sawdust, cedar chips, even some twigs and branches in there. Take your chain off. Here's the bar. The grooves are all probably caked with sawdust and oil, so I'm just going to take my utility knife, scrape it out. Don't forget your oiler ports. You can see all the junk that's coming out of there. We'll get some fuel. Just get a little bit of fuel on your Scotch-Brite there. Wipe down your bar. Take a rag, wipe it down. That's it. Oiler ports are clean now. The bar is nice and clean of any debris, and all the grooves are cleaned out. Go to your cover. Use your putty knife. Tap it out. See, this putty knife gets most of that stuff out really fast. It's good enough. Take your putty knife to the inside of the saw. Clean out your oiler. Blow out these electrical connectors here. That's seriously it, you guys, for cleaning this saw. It's such a simple saw to break down and clean. It takes less than a couple minutes. Flip your bar over so it wears evenly. Put our chain back on. Okay, reinstall our cover. I just snug up by hand the capture nut there, and then I tension my chain. With this T540, I've noticed that it seems overly tight, but it's really not. It's a little different than the previous model to the T540, and that this one you actually tighten up a little bit more than what you normally would, and then it seems to adjust itself pretty well once you run it for a second or so. Okay, we got the chain installed. Last thing is clean out your oiler cap here, your fill cap. We're done. Just reinstall your battery and you're good to go. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more upcoming videos on taking down some maples and cedar trees, so stay tuned for that. God bless.
For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. For God sent not his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. He that believeth on him is not condemned, but he that believeth not is condemned already, because he hath not believed in the name of the only begotten Son of God. And this is the condemnation, that light is come into the world, And men loved darkness rather than light, because their deeds were evil. For every one that doeth evil hateth the light, neither cometh to the light, lest his deeds should be reproved. But he that doeth truth cometh to the light, that his deeds may be made manifest, that they are wrought in God.